What's going on, YouTube? Murdic is back here, bringing you guys another video. This time we're back in our 08 Gen 2 Prius, baby. Let's see how many miles we're at right now. We're at 165,620 miles. So this Prius has traveled a long distance, and hopefully it'll keep going. I changed the oil. Actually, my dad changes the oil. I don't think I've changed the oil on this yet. But I've just been, enjoying life, focusing on what I need to focus on. And I'm back making this video for my YouTube community. Shout out everyone. Y'all are the best. Shout out Taz. Shout out literally everybody. I'm gonna pull up on my phone, but I'm not because I'm driving. But there's a bunch of supporters out there. Love you all. God bless you. And we're out here grinding, trying to get 10K subscribers as soon as possible, and then 100K, and then 1 mil. So if you're watching this video, once again, you are an actual pretty much OG, because my channel's still growing slowly but surely. I love making these POV drive videos. Hopefully I can bring something up soon that's pretty exciting. I have a friend that has an E63 AMG, so that's gonna be a dope video. I'm gonna ask him if we can do a POV test drive of his car. Shout out to my boy Chris. I'm gonna have to hit him up, do a POV drive in his 135i, because that was kind of popping off. I made a video on that, and that was doing pretty well. But I love driving this Gen 2 Prius, man. Look at this gas mileage, 40.6 in the winter. It's 30 degrees out and we're still pushing 30. Actually 40 miles per gallon, I'm sorry. Which is considerably a lot because the heater's constantly on, and I feel like it's just more energy when it's colder outside, to keep everything all up in temp and stuff. But I'm just enjoying my drive. I hope you guys are too. Oh, look at that apex turn. But this handling on this Prius, that front wheel drive system, it's different. It's different for sure. It's a nice handling feel. And just, couldn't be happier with driving the Pri. But if you're watching this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Like I was saying before, my name is Murdic. I make these YouTube videos. I'm trying to do some gaming. I'm trying to mix it up, have like a variety of content. So be sure to check all that out on my channel. I have other cars, video games, and probably some vlogs in there very soon. Kind of just, getting back on that YouTube grind. I've been working a lot, just trying to, stay on my goals. And I hope you are too. I'm trying to spread some positivity on YouTube, get the blood flowing. Oh, I'm going. Oh. But anyways, this is one of my favorite roads to drive on. If you have not seen from my other videos, I love driving on this road. So scenic, very peaceful, not a lot of traffic, which is my type of road. But as you can see, we have the sun out, and it's bright. I mean, wintertime in my area is very beautiful, honestly. I mean, I love looking at the trees and the skies. For some reason, the sunsets, I feel like are more vibrant during the winter. I mean, I might be biased. Maybe it's because the trees are, not blocking everything. Because in the summer, I feel like it's harder to see. I guess because of all the leaves and stuff blocking it, but I'm just enjoying my drive. Nice houses out here too. Oh, look at that Jaguar. It's a nice looking car. I like that one. Looks good on the outside. But some other updates, working on that BMW, trying to get back in tip-top shape. If you've not known already, I accidentally curbed it and set off the airbags, so I just got to replace that, the steering knuckle, and a wheel bearing, and I should be good to go. Car still drives like a champ. Very mean car to drive. Probably do some more videos on that as well. But I love making these Prius videos, guys. I mean, I love the, you know, the love and support that I get making these Prius videos. Shout out the Prius community. You know, we gotta put ourselves on the map and, you know, just be out there. But look at all these trees. They just, willow and they just, I don't even know, but it looks beautiful in spring when they all bloom. But the one thing that sucks is the pollen. There's a lot of pollen. This is a nice drive, nice residential. I mean, I'd love to have a house out here. Beautiful looking houses. Here we go to a stop sign. Gotta make a four-way stop. They need to redo that white line. As you can see, I have it in kilometers an hour. I don't know why. I should have that back in miles per hour. But that's a nice feature in the Prius. You can change the kilometers or miles per hour in case you might be in a different country and they don't use miles per hour. But anyways, love the, you know, just love driving this car. So much fun. Very comfy, very spacious. I love the interior design. It is a little cheap, in my opinion. Or not cheap, but very economical. I feel like that's a better term. Whoa, this person's in the middle of the road. Homie, you gotta get out of there. He's really out there on the street. Oh, look at another Prius out there. I mean, the Prius community is large, for sure. But anyways, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for more content. Marcus is out. Love y'all. Peace.
So why is it so